Did you know that the average person spends 2.5 hours per day searching for information, yet only 1 in 10 knows how to find exactly what they need? Welcome to the fascinating world of information officers, the hidden heroes who make sense of our data-driven world. I'm about to show you how you can become one of these digital detectives and potentially earn up to £45,000 a year doing it. Stay tuned, because what I'm about to share might completely change your career path. Come on, let's dive into the exciting world of information officers. The role has evolved dramatically, with artificial intelligence and big data transforming how we manage information. The traditional path starts with a CILIP-accredited degree in information management or related fields. You'll need 2 A-levels or 3 H grades, plus 5 GCSEs at grade C or above. But here's something most people don't know. There's a brilliant alternative route that's becoming increasingly popular. If you already have a degree in any field, you can take a CILIP-approved postgraduate qualification. This is particularly valuable in our current tech-driven environment, especially if you're interested in scientific or technical information management. Want to know the industry secret? Experience trumps qualifications in many cases. That's why CILIP offers an incredible certification scheme for those already working in information-related roles. Think of it as learning while earning. You're getting paid while building your professional portfolio. Here's a real game-changer: chartered membership with CILIP. It's like having a golden ticket in the information world. But it's not just about the credentials. It's about joining a community of professionals who are shaping the future of information management. The demand for qualified information officers has increased by 35% since 2023, with organizations realizing the crucial role of effective information management in their success. Whether you're fascinated by data analytics, passionate about knowledge sharing, or excited about digital transformation, this career path offers endless possibilities. In today's digital age, information officers are the architects of knowledge management, orchestrating both digital and traditional information systems. But what does that actually mean in practice? Let me paint you a picture of this dynamic role that's transformed. Think of yourself as a digital curator, managing vast information ecosystems that combine cutting-edge technology with traditional archiving methods. You'll be working with state-of-the-art information management systems, implementing AI-powered cataloging tools, and developing sophisticated search algorithms that make information instantly accessible. You'll be working with blockchain for secure record-keeping, implementing natural language processing for smart search capabilities, and using augmented reality for innovative information presentation. What's fascinating is how the role has evolved beyond traditional data management. Modern information officers are now involved in predictive analytics, creating interactive data visualizations, and developing machine learning models to automate information processing. You'll be producing comprehensive reports that combine data analytics with actionable insights, using cutting-edge visualization tools to make complex information accessible and meaningful. Let's explore the key characteristics that make a successful information officer in today's digital landscape. While technical skills are important, it's your personal attributes that truly set you apart in this dynamic field. The modern information officer needs to be a versatile information handler, comfortable navigating everything from sophisticated databases to traditional paper archives. Since 2024, the role has evolved to require an even stronger blend of technical prowess and interpersonal skills. The ability to translate complex data into clear, actionable insights has become increasingly valuable. You'll need to adapt your communication style for different audiences, from technical teams to non-specialist users. Customer service isn't just an added bonus, it's fundamental to success in this role. Let me share something important. While technology continues to evolve, the core traits of attention to detail and methodical thinking remain invaluable. You'll need to combine these traditional skills with strong digital literacy and adaptability to new technologies. Numerical competency has become increasingly important, especially with the rise of data analytics. You'll be working with statistics, creating reports and interpreting numerical data to support decision-making processes. Being resourceful isn't just about finding information. It's about finding the right information efficiently and presenting it effectively. The working environment for information officers has evolved significantly, blending traditional office settings with modern digital workspaces. While you'll find opportunities in conventional libraries and resource centres, many roles now offer hybrid working arrangements, combining remote and office-based work since the post-2024 workplace transformation. The standard Monday to Friday schedule offers excellent work-life balance. But there's more to it than that. The field has embraced project-based work, offering exciting opportunities for those who prefer variety in their career. Let's explore the exciting career trajectory that awaits in information science. Here's what makes this role truly exciting: the sheer variety of career paths available. You could find yourself working as a legal information analyst, crafting detailed research briefs for high-profile cases, or as a digital asset manager in a major corporation, overseeing their entire knowledge infrastructure. The education sector offers particularly innovative opportunities, where you might be developing mixed reality learning environments or managing AI-enhanced library systems. Business intelligence is another rapidly growing field, where information officers are now key players in strategic decision-making. One of the most exciting developments in this field is the growing demand for freelance information officers. The gig economy has opened up numerous opportunities for independent consultants, especially in specialized sectors like legal research, technical documentation, and digital asset management. The consulting pathway has become increasingly lucrative, with experienced professionals commanding premium rates for their expertise. Science and computer science specialists are particularly sought after, with some consultants earning upwards of £500 per day. Let's talk about what really makes this career tick. In fast-paced sectors like financial services or tech startups, you might find yourself managing real-time data streams and making split-second decisions. It's exhilarating work that keeps you on your toes and ensures no 2 days are ever the same. Here's what makes this career particularly valuable: the skills you develop are incredibly transferable. These transferable skills open doors to unexpected opportunities. Former information officers are now found in roles as diverse as digital transformation consultants, knowledge management directors, and even chief information officers. The analytical and organizational abilities you develop become your passport to various career possibilities. Based on the latest salary data, let me share the updated salary landscape for information officers. Entry-level information officers now typically start between £26,000 and £32,000, marking a notable increase from previous years. With experience and professional qualifications, information officers can expect their salaries to increase significantly. Mid-level positions now command between £32,000 and £55,000, while senior roles in large organisations, particularly in the private sector, can reach £75,000 or higher. The most lucrative opportunities are found in financial services sector, up to £85,000, legal sector, up to £80,000, technology companies, up to £78,000, management consultancies, up to £82,000. Let me share the most valuable resources that can jumpstart your career in information science. The Arts and Humanities Research Council, AHRC, now part of UK Research and Innovation, has expanded its digital resources significantly. Their portal offers access to groundbreaking research projects and funding opportunities in information management. The Chartered Institute of Library and Information Professionals, CILIP, has transformed its website into a comprehensive career development hub. They've introduced virtual mentoring programs, online certification courses, and a digital skills assessment platform that's become industry standard. The Information and Records Management Society, IRMS, now offers specialised tracks in emerging areas like blockchain record keeping and AI-driven information management. Their newly launched digital conference series connects professionals globally. Find helpful links in the description below for resources, training and career advice to kickstart or grow your journey as an information officer. Thanks for watching Career Chronicles UK. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe and share to inspire others to find their dream careers too. See you in the next video.